300 years. A slumber forced by steel, a silence sealed by the crown. We were the Indios, the nameless, the stepped upon. Our own heritage hidden,
Our stories withdrawn. The whip,
the toil,
the tax,
the tears,
the weight of the decades.
the grind of the years. We were colonized, but we were never conquered. A spark in the mind of a daughter in exile, a scream in the throat of a worker in Manila. The Katipunan gathers in the hills, in the fields, in the secret room of the braves.
June 12, the heat of the morning. 1898, the world is watching. Look up
To the window in Kawit,
look up
as the spirit of a nation is lit. See the flag,
the sun with 8 rays, cutting through the colonial fog.
One from Manila, Cavite, Bulacan, Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Laguna, and Batangas. They're the first to defy, the first to fly. The music plays the Marcha Nacional. No words were needed. The heartbeat was the lyrics.
For the first time, we breathed our own air. For the first time, we answered our own prayer.
But why do we stand here today, a century and more away? Because independence is not just a relic or some dusty books or documents that are put in the shelf. It is the blood in our veins. It is the choice to be ourselves. We appreciate the stars, for they taught us to heal.
We made it. Through the storms of empire, we made it. Through the trials of history, we made it. The proclamation is our anchor, the flag is our sail. The Filipino spirit shall always prevail.
From the chains of the past and the light from the sun. Philippines, sovereign and free. This is our journey.